Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can fix WhatsApp image not downloading error on your device. In case you're not able to download images on WhatsApp, so then one of the main reasons might be your storage. In case your storage is full, then that might be one of the reasons why you're not able to download the image. So then make sure to check whether the storage is full or not. So then if you still have a space available and you're not able to download the image, then another reason might be your internet connection. If you have poor internet connection, then that might be one of the reasons. After following these two methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is simply tap on your Play Store application and on the search box type in WhatsApp. So after that, you'll have to make sure whether the application is updated or not. You can see that I don't have an update button. It means that the application is up to date. After updating your application as well, if you face similar problem, then next what you can do is simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your WhatsApp application and then tap on app info. Now tap on storage. Now what you have to do is you'll have to tap on clear cache and then clear data. After clearing your data and cache, your information will be erased, which means that you'll have to log in once again. So after doing that, you might be able to fix your problem and you'll be able to download the image. Also, there are slight chances that you'll not be able to fix it. So then what you have to do next is that just simply do the same process, that is long press on your WhatsApp application and then tap on app info. And now instead of storage, you'll have to tap on permission. And out here you'll have to make sure whether all the permission are enabled or not. In case if any one of these following is not enabled, so then make sure to enable it, and after that you might be able to fix your issue. After following all of these methods, if you still face similar problem, then the last option what you can do is simply reinstall your WhatsApp application and then re-log in into your account. So then you might be able to fix your WhatsApp application. So those were the few methods on how to fix WhatsApp image not downloading error on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.